Hi boys and girls, how are you today? Mrs. Luciano here, and today the book is called Harry and Sally, Exploring the School. And it starts like, Hi, hello, I am Harry. This is my best friend, Sally, and we are good explorers. This is my school, and look, those are my friends. At school, we run. Can you run on the spot? We jump. Can you jump on the spot? And play. And I'm sure you are playing lots, aren't you? So, we also like to study, says Harry. This is my classroom, and that is my teacher. She is very kind. Good morning, class, says the teacher. Let's learn about human body. Can you repeat after me? Head, shoulder, hand, knees, toes. And that reminds me of a song. Can you sing along with me and make actions? Head, shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes. My eyes, my ears, my mouth and my nose. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes. And today, says the teacher, I have a mission for you. But let's remember how to name the part of our face. Eyes, ears, nose, mouth. Well done. You got it? So let's play a little bit. And we are going to play Simon Says. Good idea. Said the children. Simon says, touch your eyes. Well done. Simon says, and the children replied, says what? Touch your nose. Simon says what? Exclaimed the children. Touch your ears. Simon says what? They shouted. Touch your mouth. Very good. Miss Jones, said Harry, what is our mission about? Oh, well done, Harry, she said. Boys and girls, let's go all outside. And the challenge for you today is our eyes. What are they for? And our nose, what is it for? Our ears. Do you know what are they for? Now, our mouth. Can you guess what is it for? And all the children, they were thinking carefully about the teacher's questions. So, with your friends, with your partners, I want you to answer all the questions, she said. And then Harry, very, very, very fast, approached his friend Sally and he said, we are good explorers, Sally. Let's find out. And they were all discussing. Can you see? They were all talking and thinking about the teacher's questions. And Sally said, oh, look. What a beautiful flower. It's beautiful. I can see pink, yellow and green. Let me smell it, said Harry. They were still thinking about all those questions. Some friends at the back, jumping, trying to read an apple. I don't know if you can see that. And they did. Munch, grunt, munch, grunt. Hooray! Exclaimed Harry. That's it. We know the answers. So, Jesus gives us eyes, so through it we can see, and a nose, so we can smell. And He has given us ears to hear, and a mouth to taste the delicious things that He created. Hooray! And that was the end of our story today. Harry and Sally, they could answer that challenge and they knew all the senses. Yes, do you know the 5 senses? Hope you do. It was very, very nice to spend a little bit of time with you, and I see you next time. Bye-bye.